Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Gautam Kumar. Today I am share job update with you. Before that, please like this video, share this video with your friend, and please subscribe my channel. And if you need to regular job update, please join my Telegram group. I will give give link in the description box. Join it. And if you need to connect with me on social media, please connect with me on social media also. I will provide this link in a description box too. Let's start our job update. Our first job is from Deloitte. Deloitte is hiring for digital marketing intern known as junior trafficker. This is for advertising, marketing and commerce, customer and marketing. This is your position summary. Job is digital marketing intern to join a team and gain hands-on experience in the field. The ideal candidate, a recent graduate or a student with a strong interest in digital marketing. They will be responsible for assist with a variety of marketing tasks, including creating and managing social programmatic and search campaign, analyze the campaign performance, conduct research on industry trend, communicate with our team leads on process and analytics improvement, ensure your work and have the quality. Other duties as assigned a strong interest in learning digital marketing platform, excellent written and verbal communication skill required, ability to work independent and as part of team, good organizational skill and the ability to manage multiple project deadline effectively. Scored. This is basically a requirement. This is the requirement tips, and this is company provide you for a benefit. Then how to apply this job? You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is from globallogic. Globallogic is hiring for associate analyst for India Hyderabad location, and designation is analyst and experience need 0 to 1 year of experience need here. Okay, this is functional content engineering, and the skill required is communication and work model is on-site office. This is your job description. Individuals should have ability to understand and carry out the allocated task responsible in this, and this is your requirement. Excellent written interpersonal skill. A preference is fresher or up to 2 year of industrial experience. Excellent written skill. Must possess any graduation degree and must be willing to work from office in rotational shift. There are five, five working day and 2 week offs. Must be ready to join immediately. Then how you can apply? You have simply fill up first name, last name, email, and upload your resume. Then after you fill all that, and then you have simply click submit, and you simply click here apply. And after that, our next job is from Nian Nian Pol Nian Pal. Nian Pal is hiring for Power BI developer for for India remote location, and this is full time opportunity for you. And this is a requirement like a strong knowledge of DAX, SQL, Microsoft Power Platform, a strong problem solving and analytical skill need, coordinate with project manager and customer to develop business requirement and a specification, documentation and all. You can see here this is requirement. Then how you can apply that? You have simply click easy apply, and you fill the details. Our next job is from IIT Digital Analytics Solution Private Limited. Is hiring for associate consultant BI. Experience required here is zero point 0.8 months to 3 year, and annual salary is 3 LPA to 6 LPA per annum. and location is Noida, Greater Noida, Gurugram, and key skill required like Power BI, SQL, Tableau, and data analytics. This is job summary. We are currently hiring for software professional who are looking for change in profile or technology and want to pursue career in business analytics. This is job description, understand customer requirement, able to implement business requirement, design model and develop document and process driven application using BI solution, implementation and documentation of BI solution, providing training and support of the customer. Minimum job requirement required like you have completed your BE, BTech, MCM, MTech, BSc, IT. Working experience is 1 to 3 years of experience in SQL, RDBMS, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, or any programming technology. Should have knowledge. Should have a good understanding of HTSC project life cycle and all. Then how you can apply this job? You simply click apply now, and you fill the detail. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Thank you everyone, and please support my channel. And I will provide a apply link in a description box. Please check it and apply it according to your skill. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.